This is Funkykit.com, Mod My Box 2016.
Mod My Box 2016.
Sponsored by G.Skill. Alright, so thank you G.Skill for sending us the prizes for the Mod My Box, and this is the G.Skill MX780 gaming mouse, and we also have the 7KM 780 RGB keyboard. Alright, let's start off with the gaming mouse. Okay, it opens quite easily here. Nice packaging. Alright, let's see what is. Oh shit. Let's do it again. Remember this? There you go. These are the replacement. So these then also go right here. So you get the extra connection. These are magnetic, by the way, so the slots are quite easy. Oh, here you go. There you go. Very nice. Okay, and we
My
also
favourite
have.
part about this, you can raise the app.
Yeah. So my favorite part about this mouse is you can raise this arse. Now you can raise the back. All right, by doing this. So you've got the screw right here, and then you can just twist it. As you can see, it raises the back end there, right there. See that? And then you give you that extra. Some people with the bigger palms can raise their level there, and you can screw back it. See right there. Very nice. And also it comes with some weights. So the weights then actually they go, I think right here. See that? Right there. Right here. Give you that extra weight. And then that comes back right there. So 4.5 grams on either side will give you that extra weight. In the MX780 gaming mouse. It's the RIPJAWS.
Is it?
RIPJAWS MX780 gaming mouse.
Mod My Box 2016.